1219 Commonwealth, Mayfield Heights, Ohio. This is an awesome lease property for lease. This property has got a nice front patio. It's located on Commonwealth, right off Mayfield Road and Ridgeberry. You get a nice double car garage right there. On that, let's go inside. We just updated this one, so let's go inside. So as you can see, we got new flooring in here. It has a fireplace, big large living area here. You can see here all new flooring, paint, plugs, switches, lights. You got a little bar area right there. You have another bedroom right here with the closet. So it's really it's a nice big 3-bedroom. We'll end up putting a door right here also, so you have your privacy. And here's another bedroom. Again, new flooring, paint, plugs, switches, lights. Nice big bedrooms. Nice strong vinyl flooring, very good flooring. You have a nice big living room for the front. So this is again all painted, plugs, switches, lights, the whole works. And you have a kitchen right off the living room here. So you get that, and a really nice gas cooking. This is thermal heated. And the big bedrooms upstairs. Well, I wanted to show you one other thing too in here. The laundry room's right here. So these stay, but you do have a shower right here too. There's a half bath upstairs, which I'll show you. And there's a full bath downstairs. So this is so it really has 2 baths with 2 showers and a bathtub. Let me show you that here. So there's a first floor bathroom and a second floor. So here's your full bath here. So this is your full bathroom here, new toilet, all that stuff is there. There's your shower tub. And then as we go upstairs, it's kind of a master suite, so to speak. Use this as a study, big area. Nice wood floors, all redone. See there. You can see there's a nice big living area here. You can make your office, whatever you want. It has air conditioning, so it's nice and cool. And again, you see here, this is more the bedroom. There's that, and then your bathroom's right here, half bath, and you have the shower downstairs. So this is a really unique area, really nice house, a lot of room, a lot of space. If you want to be in Mayfield Heights, this is definitely your house. So give me a call. Again, thank you. It's your virtual tour. Thanks.